Hey everybody, here's a simple computer prank to play. It's been around for a while, so don't try it on somebody that might have been exposed to it before. I show you how to do it on Windows 7, but it works with other operating systems. First, you need to find the print screen button on your victim's computer. It is usually in the upper right-hand corner of the keyboard, labeled with something cryptic like PRTSC or PRTSCN. So capture your victim's desktop. That will copy it, hit print screen, and that will copy it to the clipboard. Then click on Start, type in Paint, Return, then hit Control V to paste the contents of the clipboard into Paint. Then hit Control S to save the backdrop. Navigate to a directory and write out the backdrop. Give it some name that you're going to remember. And then close all the windows. Then right click on your desktop, select View and uncheck Show Icons, and uncheck Show Gadgets. Then right click on your desktop, select Personalize, then select Desktop Background. Then navigate to the background you just saved. So clear all and select only the background that you just saved. Now exit out of that window and all your icons will be useless. You can click on anything and it will only frustrate your poor victim. Thanks. We'll see you next time.